Hey beautiful people, in this video I'll be creating a mild dark makeup look tutorial, and alongside I'll be sharing with you a topic I think should be of common interest to everyone and might just help you. I'll be talking about personal growth and self-development. What can you do to grow as a person? And I'm not talking about natural physical growth. If you're only interested in watching the makeup tutorial, yeah, you definitely can mute the audio. I have displayed the details of each product I used on the video so you know what I'm doing. If you're also interested in just the audio, you definitely can just listen without watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Be the first to know when I post by turning on the post notification. That's the bell icon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Eniola, or A.Eni. I would like to first chip in the fact that working on self-growth and development is a mindset. A mindset that makes you aware about who you are and that you have to, from time to time, improve on yourself. A way of life and thinking, and also being intentional about it. With the following points, I will highlight tips which I personally use and you can also use to grow as a person. And these are not in any particular order. Number 1, self-discipline. Yes, you have to be able to master the art of controlling yourself. If you can determine what is right and what you stand for, then follow through with it. Respect yourself. Don't let the occurrence of a situation bend you and what you stand for. Learn how to defeat or overcome your weaknesses. A good example is to learn to distinguish what you want from what you need. Number 2, self-awareness. Discover who you are as a person. What kind of person are you? What's your nature? Only this way can you determine what is comfortable and not comfortable for you and what you like to change. Find yourself. Know your limits. What you should and shouldn't do. What you want and what you don't want. Number 3, educate yourself. Try to learn new things by reading, studying, researching. Try sites like Quora, Medium, and the likes. These are what I use personally anyways. The best form of learning is to listen and learn from people. Learn from their mistakes and achievements. Learn from your mistakes too. Watch carefully and know not to repeat your mistakes. Or that would just mean you not learning anything in the first place. Do not have the impression that you already know all you need to go through life. No, learning never stops. Number 4, embrace change. Understand that things will never be the same and new things will keep occurring. What you can do is train yourself to adapt to changing situations, and do not get disappointed and surprised when things don't turn out the way you expect. That's life. It's full of surprises. Number 5, learn to take responsibility. Stop blaming others for the results of your actions. It is you. It's your doing. Own it. If you are going to blame others in the end, why do it in the first place? And that takes me back to point number 2 on self-awareness. If you already know what you should and shouldn't do, you definitely won't blame others for what you've done because you wouldn't have done it in the first place, right? I don't know if you get the logic. Number 6, focus on the present rather than the past and understand that what matters most is what you make the most of with the time you have. You do not have the time in the past right now to fix things. You do not have the time in the future yet to make things good. How about the time you have now in the present to facilitate the good in the future? Yup. Think about that. Number 7, work on your skills, your passion and your talents. That's what you love most and that's what you thrive most in, and that's the truth. You may try to do other things because you have no choice, but your mind keeps going back to one thing, yeah? Same for me. I found out that no matter how far I derail from what I am actually supposed to do, there is always something pulling me back to it. Your talent is your gift. Use it wisely. Number 8, challenge yourself. Don't be lazy. Set your realistic goals and tell yourself you can do it. Be your own competition and strive to do better. Leave your comfort zone and discover your true potentials. Number 9, let go of things that do not contribute to your growth, or even worse, bring or slow you down. You know where you're going, but you know that a particular habit of yours or the company you keep is so addictive that you can't even concentrate on what you need to do to get to where you're going. You need to break free in order to move forward. Number 10, love yourself. The only way you can work with the other points I have mentioned is to love yourself. You need to appreciate and first embrace who you are. If you love yourself, that's the only way you want good things for yourself or even think of improving or self-development, right? You can't want something good for something you hate, so love yourself. If you'd like to hear a message from me on self-love as a topic, do let me know in the comments. I would like to share that also. I hope that with these aforementioned points, I have been able to speak with someone out there. Please do let me know what you think about this kind of video. Would you like to see more of this kind of arrangements, or you would like to see each as an independent video of each other, like I share a message as a separate video, then a tutorial as another video, or you like to see them together like this one? Click the link on the top right of the screen to vote, and also leave your thoughts in the comments. For more inspirational videos like this, click the link on the top right. Leave a comment if you have any question, contribution, or subtraction. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please click on the like button. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and share with anyone who might find this helpful. Please let's engage. Let me know what you would like to see in subsequent videos and also what you would like me to improve on. I'm doing this for you, so I have to create based on what you want. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I have left these details in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.